It was initially reported that the Egyptian Air Force had ordered 30 Rafale F-3R Standard fighter jets from French defense firm Dassault Aviation in May 2021 worth $4.5 billion. That will bring the total number of Rafales in the Egyptian Air Force to 54, but as per latest reports, Egypt will get 30 Rafale F-4.1 Standard version, that will see the incorporation of new generation technologies. France has also offered the Rafale F-4.1 to India under the 114 MRFA program, and this order by Egypt will also lead to reduction in price of F-4.1 standard aircraft due to economies of scale. Cochin Shipyard Limited has conducted the steel cutting ceremony for two anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft that is being built for the Indian Navy, which marks the beginning of the construction of the fourth and fifth vessels in a series of 8 such craft being built by Cochin Shipyard. These 900-ton technologically advanced anti-submarine vessels will feature stringent signature and stealth technologies to avoid detection by submarines and other surveillance systems, and will have the capability to destroy subsurface targets in coastal waters. Cochin Shipyard and Garden Reach Shipbuilders will manufacture a total of 16 such vessels at 12,622 crore rupees. Tom Cooper, an Austrian journalist, has said that Master Sergeant Kyle Wilson of the United States Air Force was stationed at the Shahbaz Air Base in Pakistan from March 2018 to 2019, during which he was serving as the Technical Security Team Superintendent. Master Sergeant Kyle Wilson helped Pakistan Air Force officials to collect the wreckage of the F-16 on time, which was shot down by MiG-21 of the Indian Air Force. India has issued a no-time warning for a launch of an experimental flight vehicle in the Bay of Bengal for the period from 7th to 9th of December 2021. The designated area is 320 kilometers, and it might be the test of the BrahMos air-launched cruise missile, or the test of Rudram-2 air-to-surface missile, that is capable of destroying heavy fortified military installations and facilities. The U.S. Navy has decided to integrate the AGM-158C long-range anti-ship missile into its P-8A maritime aircraft. The work order on the 560 km range AGM-158C long-range anti-ship missile will be completed in October 2024 and will be adapted for all other P-8 fleets by 2026, including the Indian Navy that has the second largest P-8I fleet outside of the U.S. Navy. The Ministry of Defense has now empowered the 3 armed services to import military equipments, even if the equipment is included on the negative import list, only in case of immediate requirements, or the indigenous product delivered by domestic companies do not meet technical requirements, or the domestic industry is not able to supply equipment in the stipulated time frame or quantity, or the indigenous product have an impact on the safety of soldiers, or in case of any other technical issues. After clearance by the Defence Acquisition Council last week, the Cabinet Committee on Security headed by Prime Minister Modi discussed the 5,100 crore rupees deal to jointly manufacture AK-203 rifles. The CCS will clear the deal in the next few days, and the deal will be signed during the annual India-Russia bilateral summit on 6 December. French firm Dassault Systems has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Tamil Nadu government to establish the Tamil Nadu Centre of Advanced Manufacturing. The centre would have facilities to support product design, composite simulation and digital manufacturing, along with a 3D printer and virtual reality setup. Indian Coast Guard has said that under the contract for 16 advanced light helicopters Mark III with Hindustan Aeronautics, 6 helicopters have already been inducted into the Indian Coast Guard, and the remaining 10 helicopters will be inducted by May 2022. The former commander of Sri Lankan army has warned that Sri Lanka has fallen into China's debt trap, would end up like Uganda, which had to give away their only international airport to China. Sri Lankan finance minister has also arrived in India and could seek crucial economic assistance from India that could be in the form of loans, investments and economic cooperation.